Hey there, welcome to the Hima Reddy Trading Tribe. I'm Hima Reddy, and here we are at the portal to enter not only the Trading Tribe, but my other products and services. So you're seeing this video likely from the inside of Tribe. All right, so let's go ahead and head into the Tribe. Now, here we are inside the Tribe. So this video I'm making for you now to walk you through is what's right here. And what we've got going on is three main areas of the tribe for you to get hot, timely, and actionable information. So the first is the chart of the week. So you just go over to Chart of the Week Live, click on the blue drop down, and this brings you to an embedded deck that contains all the videos I recently posted for the tribe. You'll see the most recent one on your screen here, and you can hit the play button to play it right from the deck.
Hey traders, it's Hima here. Happy.
You can also hit full screen over here to make it big, easy to read, easy to see the charts, and then you can hit the escape button to come back to the regular size. And in order to see other videos, you can go ahead and click the next button right here. And this will take you back in time to more recent chart of the week. And every week I publish a couple of the varieties of the tribe posts or blog videos. So chart of the week is one of them. Skinny Dip Live, let's head over there. The Skinny Dip is usually a look at the ES or the NQ markets or related markets such as the SPY, tying into the Skinny and the Mini reports that I provide multiple times a week to members of Skinny and the Markets. Now, again, with the same approach here, you can see the latest Skinny Dip. You can go back in time to see more recent ones. And all of them have a lot of great education. So I definitely recommend using your tribe resources to not only learn from the latest video, but from the archives as well. Again, you can also hit to expand to full screen, and you can play the video right from the deck.
Hey traders, it's Hima here.
Now, in the case of the Skinny Dip Live, if you scroll down, you'll see once in a while I share highlights of an entire Skinny and the Mini report with the tribe, and I will send out an email notification when this is ready. So this gives you a taste of what the Skinny and the Mini looks like and gives you actionable information you can use for that particular session. All right, the last official section is Helpful Hima. So Helpful Hima is a variety of information about resources I use to manage my trading business and my life, as well as exercises for you to make sure you're on top of your general trading skills. So we have videos that provide such instruction. Again, you can hit play directly to view them.
Hey traders, it's Hima.
You can hit the full screen button to maximize your viewing, and you can hit the next button to see other Helpful Hima videos in the archives. If you scroll down here, there's a very large set of blog posts because Helpful Hima, like I mentioned, is often about resources I use. So sometimes I will actually put these right in the email to you when I notify you, or I will refer to the Helpful Hima section, and you can come here and scroll through the blog posts to catch the latest report. So those are the main elements of the Tribe portal. At any time that you want to go back to the Master portal, you can just click here for Master portal access, and it'll bring you back. And check out any of the other products and services that we have available to the tribe at this time. All right, I look forward to seeing you on the other side. Catch you later.